Today, I would like to show you a new text string method, replace. This method returns a copy of the string in which all occurrences of a substring are replaced with another substring. A substring can be defined as part of a string. Now, take a look at an example. I'm going to create a variable named txt that contains a short sentence. Since our variable is a text string, we can use the string method replace. This method takes two parameters. The first is the substring we want to replace, and the second one is a new replacement substring. Our objective is to replace all occurrences of apples with plums. Look at the output. The program finds all apples and returns a copy of the new string where we can find plums. This method is really useful, but sometimes it can be tricky. Let's look at this example. I want to change the sentence to past tense by replacing is with was. The method replace will do what we are asking. But take a look at the very first word of the output. Our program found is inside the word this and created a new word, was. That's not what we wanted, is it? Now it's your turn. Create another tricky example using the text string method replace. Think about how we would use replace so that it does not replace the substring when it's part of another word. Good luck! See you in the next video.